Hello traders, today is day number 56 of small cap market open trading. We are testing a plan that I've written specifically to trade small cap stocks. We've taken 66 trades so far. We want to get to 100 before we know it's really profitable or not. And today was just another dead day, and I'm going to explain in this video and show you a little graph of why the small cap market is dead, why it's been dead for so long, and what has to happen for it to come back. So let's take a look at this really simple chart here that I'm making right now live. So we have a timeline here. This is 2020, 2021, 2022. So this is just kind of the overall market, what's been happening. So we all know that in 2020, toward the beginning of the year, we had the pandemic and the market sold off and into a big crash, right? And then there was a recovery around March, maybe April, and things started to come back up. And of course, there was some ebb and flow during this, but we're going to disregard that just for the sake of simplicity in this video. So the market was climbing back up. Here was the previous all-time highs, and it broke out through those all-time highs into 2021. Now, toward the end of 2021, let's say that this is the end of 2021 right here, then the market started to sell off again, and now we're in 2022. Let's just say like this is where 2022 starts, and we've been selling off some more. So this is why there is no energy in the small cap market, is because we're coming from all-time highs and there's a lot of profit taking going on. There's also lots of news and politics and things involved that shape the price action of the market. But the simple notion is just that we're coming from all-time highs. The selling off is happening right now. We have to find a floor. We don't know when that's going to be, but when it happens, then we're going to see a resurgence, and we're going to be making new all-time highs once again, because we all know that over time the market goes up. So here's the takeaway from this, is that the fact that we haven't been able to take many trades during this period is really a strength of this plan. The plan is meant to keep us out of weak markets and to keep us trading in the small markets. So this entire time, I've only taken maybe 4 or 5 trades. So I think that really says a lot about the plan. It's not perfect. It's not foolproof. There are going to be some weak days where I'm triggered to take an entry, but for the most part, when the market is weak, I'm not triggered to take an entry. There's also going to be some strong days where maybe no trades are triggered, but for the most part, we are kept out of the weak markets and we are trading during the strong markets. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Hopefully I got the message across. We are still in this kind of red phase, this kind of downtrend of the market overall, and we don't know when this reversal is going to happen, but we do know that we're going to be ready and that our plan will force us to take trades when that energy comes back. There was a lot of stocks today that looked pretty decent on the screener, but they did not meet our daily chart criteria. Hence, we didn't take any trades. So that's just a sign that the plan works pretty well as far as keeping us out of these weak markets and keeping us trading during the strong markets. So we'll just keep doing this every day until that energy comes back, and we'll be ready to strike. So as always, go into every single trade with a plan. Stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit targets, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.